Hello student. Yeah, today that is exam based questions. Four identical rectangles, they are plotting on a graph along x-axis and y-axis. The each rectangle that is which is equal to x-axis, and then the other side is going towards y-axis. Now we need to find out the points on C. The coordinates of C we need to find out, and we don't know what coordinates are there. So the 2 points has been given. The first point, which is A, which is also given, I just write down here. A has been given 5 and 6, and B has been given also, which is 17 and 22. Now we need to work out and find out the value of C, the coordinates of C. How we can find out? First of all, when you need to see, you can, there's four identical one, each rectangle which is equal to the other one equal to that one, other one equal to that one. So this is along x-axis, all point going towards x-axis. If we suppose that, if I draw another triangle here, rectangle, if I suppose this point which is towards y-axis, if we call that is y, the other one, that is the longer part which is along x-axis, is called an x. So now we can giving names of these one, and we will solve by algebraic expressions. This is y-axis, this is x, same as it is. This one is also x, and this is also x, and this longer part is also x-axis. When you see this one, the little one, that part is equal to y-axis, and this part is equal to y-axis also. If we need to work out the value from here, this part, if I draw that part to that part till here, what happened? Total length is equal to x, and what we are taking away, this value, so we will find out that part from here to here, which is x minus y part. Same as it is when we are working on it. So you can find out, actually we need to find out that point. When you see, look at that point, how that representing that point in here, all the values going down the y-axis. If I draw y-axis, so this point comes up. When we need to find out the x-axis, if we're going upward, and that side, that point is called x-axis, and all the way to go down till this point for x-axis, and that point for y-axis we need to find out. Now when we are working on it, so from here till here, if I draw the line from that point to that point, we need to find out the distance between these two numbers. Secondly, we need to find out the distance from here till here, because that belongs to the y-axis. So how many points comes from here? This is x, I write on x. What happened? This little part, we already have found which little part is equal to x plus x minus y. Now if this point is starting from, the first coordinate belongs to the x-axis, and then the next one is also from x-axis. So from 5 till 17 we will find one equation. If I write on here, that becomes x plus x minus y, which equal to 17. Take away, because this is, we not counting these ones 0 to 5, so we need to take this away. What happened? That one becomes 2x minus y equal to 12. This is 1. The secondly, we need to find out the value from this point till that point. How many x b we are using from here to here? When you see that, so from here to here, this is This is an x point, and also we are using the y value also. So we can then this one, which is x plus y, because that point is also given for you here. We can write on x plus y. What is the total points? 22. And what starting point is it? You would write down here, from here to that point, because we need to value adding, because when we are doing this one, this part is also is y. So this 2 becomes, this is x plus this one part is also x, and this part is also y, because we are adding all these values. That becomes 22. Take away, don't forget to take away this 6, because that's starting from the 6 and that is ending with the 22. We are finding two values, 2x plus y is equal to 22. Take away 16, we will get 6. This is our second equation. Now when you see here, we have two values, 2x minus y and 2x plus 1. The value has been given. If we adding these two numbers, what's gonna happen? The equation 1 add 2. When you adding two numbers, that becomes 2x plus 2x, that becomes 4x. Y negative, y positive, they will cancel. 12 add 16, which is 28. And when you work out 4 times which x, so we need to divide by 4 both sides. So x value we have found, which is equal to 7. So next one, we need to find out the value of y. We can substitute this value of x in any one of the equation. If we substitute value of x in the second one, put in second, what happens? So x is to 7, 7 times 2, which is 14, plus y is equal to 16. So 14 is adding, so we need to subtract 14 on both sides. So 14 cancels, so y value we have found, which is equal to 2. Now when easily we can generate our that point. How many value x going towards till here, this point? But you see here, from here to traveling till this point is only x adding. So 5 c coordinates, which is 5 add x. This is one thing. Secondly, the coordinates y, how many going up? Only the y. So 6 plus y. As you know that the value of x, which is equal to 7, and the value of y, which is equal to 2. So we found the coordinates of that value, which is 12 and 8. So we can write all the coordinates of that one is 12 and 8. This is a very exam based question, so we need to work hard through algebraic expression. We can plot these values and collecting like terms, and then add or subtract and substitution the value in this by solving that. I think I hope you like this video. So please comment if you need any help in this video. All right, thank you.